Welcome to this brief guide on Generalized Anxiety Disorder, or GAD. If you or someone you know is grappling with persistent worry, it's crucial to understand the common symptoms of GAD. GAD is more than everyday stress. Individuals with generalized anxiety disorder often experience excessive and uncontrollable worry about a range of issues, from personal relationships to work, health, and finances. Physically, GAD can manifest as restlessness, muscle tension, and fatigue. You might find yourself on edge, unable to relax, and feeling tired despite getting enough sleep. Internally, the mind races with persistent thoughts, making it difficult to concentrate. The constant worry can lead to irritability and a sense of being on edge. GAD sufferers often have an exaggerated fear of the future, anticipating the worst-case scenario in various situations. This chronic apprehension can significantly impact daily functioning. If you or somebody you know is suffering from generalized anxiety disorder, please contact our friendly staff at DPS Health and Wellness at 912-662-6501. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'd like to invite you to watch one of our other videos. Just click in the lower left of your screen where you see the video. Thank you.